Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Serum. This amazing serum is designed to brighten your skin and help reduce the appearance of dark spots, giving you a more even complexion. It's packed with powerful antioxidants, including vitamin C and yuzu lemon extract, which are fantastic for your skin. Plus, its lightweight and non-oily formula means it absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. Applying the serum is quite simple. First, ensure your face and neck are thoroughly cleansed and toned. Next, use the dropper to apply about 3 to 4 drops of the serum directly onto your skin. Gently massage it using upward, circular motions until it's evenly distributed. Give it a moment, perhaps 30 to 60 seconds, to fully absorb before moving on to your next skincare step. For the best results, incorporate this serum into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. After applying the serum, always follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to lock in all those wonderful benefits. This helps keep your skin plump and supple. During your morning routine, it is absolutely crucial to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 50 to protect your skin from sun exposure. Here are a few important tips for your skincare journey. If you have sensitive skin, always perform a patch test on a small area first to check for any reaction. To maintain the serum's potency, store it in a cool, dark place, like your refrigerator, and keep the lid tightly closed. If you experience any irritation, such as redness or itching, stop using the product and consult a skincare professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.